Let's go. I've had rebuild forever. But I explained what it was in the last game. Scary, so I'm gonna mute it. Scariest game of my life. Yeah, I don't care about that. Try it. No, we're not playing that game anymore. No, it's sad. Used to have a Governor Northway. Oh yeah, with the shades and the kind of haircut. Let's make him bald. Let's make him Walter White. Yeah, Walter White. Trusty. That's it. Trusty binoculars. Surrey. What the heck? Finally made it to Danville. Vol. Danville. That's, don't know, typical, whatever. It's not going to be pretty easy. It's going to be tough, challenging. I think I'm going with challenging. Yeah, we're playing on challenging, so on hard, basically. Who do we got? What do I got? 2 leadership. Do we have anything? No. Oh, I'm a scavenger. I just want bad to tend my crops. Is that all we have? It is. Since you want to be a wannabe, you're going to go ahead and do that and put a person on you. But go ahead and some food. Give me some more than. Oh, look at that laboratory. We want that automatically. I'll find my share. Do the good and bad. It'd be worth it in the long run. No, great. We're already getting zombie attacked already. Yay. Whatever, we'll need it to boost morale. Good. No, we'll just wait on that. I want more food. Oh, shoot, I didn't want to do that. There we go. Research, what's this? Zombie vitals? No. No, we don't even have it. Never mind. It's just good to have that. Ooh, big farm. We're going for that. Yeah. We want this. Because this will give us... Because you know I'm not about that food. Yeah, it's not cool. Zombie condition, there's some comments over a book, I've been writing. Yes. Because I know what happens in the long run. Trust me, play this game. Okay, we're starting to get some danger. No. I forgot if I bring out. I want to add another person because. Oh, he's got a shotgun now. That should do us awesomely. And someone's already sick. How's it canceled? I had 1 day left. Oh. Should got off the shotgun. You think you wouldn't have no? Let me hit back. Cabin in the woods. I don't care. 6 isn't that bad. Yourself. Yeah, with. Hey, that's okay. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and get the guy that's in here. Come on. Shoot. One of those kids. Hear the weirdest things on CB sometimes. If you probably can't hear that. Okay. Oops. Okay, but interesting. Oh my god, I hate that thing. 5 minutes, that's okay. And did not save my game. If you didn't save the game, I'm gonna smack somebody. Oh goodness, I don't know why it does that, but myself. Okay, everywhere I put it, just put it in the middle of the screen now. Good and bad. Oh, someone's got. Oh! I'll give it to you. Oh! No, we got a scientist second actually. I'm trying to. Ain't that bad. Fudge. Hot, never mind. Hot. Yeah. It could be best if I give it to him. Yeah, it'd be better so we can. Wait, what, kid? Done. 8. Someone's coming, so we'll put on Bradley Buddy Cooper. Give me it. Yes! Now we're getting that boom food. Now we're putting on everybody. Let's hope we can survive it. Oh my god, 28%. Okay, we're done. The zombie horde is done. No, I want to take off. Keep you two. Probably take off these two. Yeah. Oh, are we getting somebody? No. No bullets. No, that's my first time, I think. No, go away. No! We need more people now. Oh my gosh, it's that bad. Alright, bringing out the bodyguard. Come on. Oh, they're getting on my nerves right now. Yeah, he's new. We're having a hard time with zombies. We need a lot of people. Give us more than one person. We're going to lose people. I can't afford to lose my bodyguard. Stop giving us people. Okay, we're getting a lot of people now. His name's funny. Well, I guess so. End the episode here. So, seriously, yeah. See ya.